Good morning, Teddy. Good morning, Patty. I trust you are doing well. Yes, I'm doing well, Teddy. But I have a heck of trouble figuring where to get an authentic quality iPhone. In a world where authenticity matters, don't risk your hard-earned money on counterfeit and low-quality products. Yes, but with a whole lot of shops and sellers, where would I get one-stop shop to get quality iPhones, accessories, and repairs? Don't worry, my brother, I know of a shop that have great services for all your needs and others like you. Thank you. Wow, this is a dream come true. Teddy, please tell me more about this shop and where I can locate it. I would appreciate that a lot. CeeKiss iPhone Shop is the one-stop iPhone shop for all your quality iPhones, repairs and accessories. Wow. Yes, you heard me right. Anyways, that is not all. CeeKiss also deals in phone and computer accessories like screen protector, covers, chargers, headset, keyboard, mouse, controllers, and many more. Great, tell me more about the iPhones. iPhone 8, 64GB, iPhone XR, 64GB, iPhone 11, 64GB, iPhone 11 Pro Max, 64GB, and iPhone 12 Pro, 128GB. At CeeKiss iPhone Shop, you will enjoy genuine products with dedicated customer service and repairs. At CeeKiss, quality is guaranteed. Teddy, I can't wait any longer. Kindly give me the location and contact details. CeeKiss is located at Sunyani, directly opposite the MTN office in MELCOM. You can contact them via 0547-082618 or 0243 44 42 86. CeeKiss iPhone Shop, your trusted iPhone hub. Thank you very much, Teddy. I can't wait to get my new iPhone and accessories right away. Moreover, I will also fix this faulty iPhone I just bought from the nearby shop. You better do that. Anyways, I was heading towards there before meeting you. I also want to get iPhone 12 Pro Max from their shop. I can't afford to buy a faulty or fake one elsewhere. That's awesome, then kindly lead me there.